What's up everybody? Now today I'm about to install the LED front lights, and I'm also changing the running bulbs or the parking lights to LED from Osram. Now the LED lights that I've chosen are from Cyclops, H7 based headlamps, 34,000 lumen each, one for the low beam and one for the high beam. Now the reason why I've chosen to go with Cyclops is because I've actually had one fitted on the Yamaha a couple of years ago and it still works perfectly fine. That one is with the 3600 lumen with a little bit older generation. So this is pretty much plug and play, so I'll show you how it's done. So inside the package you will find this small instruction for fitting the bulb. And there we got the bulb. So this one is with a fan to cool it down. There we go. So this is it. Alright, so here we have the Osram bulbs for the parking or running lights, whatever you like to call it. So these are 6000 Kelvin bulbs, so let's get them fitted on the bike and then we'll have a look at the end results.
If you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I